May it please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention this item number 3, Lordship. Lordship, here, Lordship, we're supposed to file our rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit filed by the respondent.
3 is it connected to number 2?
Yes, Lordship.
Then when will we keep on putting these matters?
Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
Yes,
Since it's a genuine ground, my lord, I have no objection.
Mr. Jindal, okay. At the request of your respondent number
For the petitioner.
for a petitioner, number 3.
Item number 3.
For filing
Item
rejoinder,
number 3.
this is matter to 2 after 2 weeks.
And 3 is connected with 2.
No, 2 is connected.
Number 2
is
together
connected.
with
2 is connected with 3. Mentioning item number 3.
yes.
Apply, Lordship. Apply.
Item number 1.
Lordship, the petitioner hearing is a police constable, Lordship.
He's a
Police constable, Lordship.
police constable.
Yes, he has joined in the service in the year 1996, Lordship. After putting more than 24 years of service, Lordship, he has been dismissed after conducting a full-fledged departmental inquiry for the LS absence of 56 days, Lordship. Then, against the dismissal order, Lordship, the appellant filed the departmental appeal and that also dismissed. And after that, filed writ petition also dismissed, Lordship. And against the order, Lordship, the appellant.
You file a statutory appeal, you file?
Yes, Lordship.
Also dismissed.
That's dismissed.
What is wrong with any irregularity in the proceedings before
My Lord, there are several infirmities, Lordship will find at page number.
You know, we're not setting an appeal over the finding.
Yes, Lordship. I am not on merit, Lordship. Only on the issue of technicality, Lordship. Lordship will find 102 in the judgment itself, Lordship.
102.
102.
Page 102.
102 of my appeal, Lordship.
Yes.
This is the operative part of the judgment, the observation given by the learned single judge, Lordship.
Yes.
It starts from 25, Lordship.
Yes.
This court has taken note of the narration of the facts and the circumstances of the case between the parties and the contention made by the respective counsel in support of their case. The facts as stated above need not to be reiterated except it required for the purpose of reference. The petitioner in defense of his contention would seek to impress upon this court that the entire disciplinary proceeding proceeded against him is vitiated inasmuch as proper procedure has not been followed as mandated by rules of law and procedure in this regard. Now, Lordship, certain instances in this regard have been cited. One being that the petitioner was not afforded opportunity to know the list of documents and witnesses relied upon by the department to prove the articles of charges against him. Such charges being mandated in the show cause notice charge memo which was issued upon him. Here, Lordship, at the time of delivering the charge memo, Lordship, neither the list of witnesses nor the documents which they have relied to prove my misconduct, Lordship, supplied to me. The learned counsel for the petitioner would submit that Rule 9 of the Meghalaya Civil Service Discipline Appeal Rules 2011 provides for such procedure and violation of the same has been rendered the entire proceeding against the petitioner. Here, the proceeding was drawn under this relevant rule, Lordship, and Rule 9 to specifically mention is mandates that at the time of delivering the show cause, that it is incumbent upon the part of the disciplinary authority to supply the list of documents.
So shall I ready on the matter today?
Lordship, yes. Lordship, then Lordship, put up a final hearing. I'll because today matter is
ready, yeah?
Today is fixed for admission hearing, Lordship.
Lordship is a very bad police personnel.
If the appeal is admitted, Lordship.
3 notices were served to him. He received, Your Lordship, the notice. He never joined, Your Lordship.
Now,
he admitted the charges, Your Lordship. Even before the inquiry, also he also admitted the charges, Your Lordship. It's a well-reasoned judgment, Your Lordship, passed by the letters.
Let us always give him. If
Lordship,
you
yes.
say that, then with decent, just give him a chance
Even
of
also-
hearing.
My lord, what my
Well, give him one hearing.
My
Let him
lord,
come
Lordship,
prepared.
yeah.
what my
Lordship,
learned
yes.
senior is saying right, but it is not a case that where I have admitted and upon my admission, the proceeding was closed and the penalty was imposed on my admission. No.
We'll hear
Full-fledged.
you. We'll hear you. Bring the authorities.
oh,
Yes, heard Mr. S.A. Sheikh, Constable with the appellant, and Mr. N.D. Shulai, and the AG with so and so for the respondents. The appeals are debated for hearing. Just that after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
We'll
Obliged.
finish up next date.
yes,
Lordship.
It's always service matter.
Lord.
Any mention?
Hey, please, Your Lordship. Sir, making a mention for urgent listing for tomorrow, my lord.
What is the matter?
My lord, the company has been blacklisted, my lord, for no reason.
So blacklisting will affect you over the weekend.
Well, it's a little urgent, my lord. It's just
What's
for
the
tomorrow.
company?
My lord?
What does it engage in?
My lord, it's a contractor, my lord.
He's been blacklisted.
My lord, we've been blacklisted.
He's been hurt.
I'm sorry, my lord.
He was hurt.
No,
for
my lord.
blacklisting.
It is for no reason we've been blacklisted, my lord. Nothing is there. Tomorrow, my lord. Obliged.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20.
20.
Your Lordship, I pray that the matter may come up after 3 weeks.
It's a. Oh, yeah, a private case.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 427.
You have no objection?
No objection, Your Lordship.
Okay,
Lordship, may I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I am appearing on behalf of respondent 8, 9 and 10 in this case, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Hazarika. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
You have any objection to adjournment? 3 weeks.
No, my lord. My presence may be recorded.
Yes, Mr. Hazarika for
8, 9 and 10.
8, 9 and 10. Yes.
Your Lordship, pray that the interim order may be extended.
Oh, interim order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then we'll vacate interim order if you want adjournment. Okay, interim order can continue. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Your Lordship, I have a similar prayer for item 11.
What is this? Where's Dr.
Your
Muzika?
Lordship, Mr. S. Sen is indisposed.
No objection, Your Lordship.
2 weeks or 1 week? 1 week. 2020, why? Oh, recused by. Okay. Yes.
Obliged,
week.
Your Lordship.
We'll finish it up.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18 and 19, Your Lordship. Connected matters. I've taken the consent from the other side.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, similar prayer for item 12 and 13. This for all connected matters, Your Lordship.
18, 19, 12, 13. After
Yes.
1 week or 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Highly obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14. Your Lordship. Let it come after 2 weeks. Your Lordship.
Time for the respondent 4 to 8 also.
120.
Yeah, objection? No one's objection. Also holiday mood or what? Yes. Look at this.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15.
You still interested pursuing this matter?
Yes,
But your conduct doesn't show so. A repeated adjournment.
because my
What to do?
senior conducting counsel is indisposed.
After 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Lordship, we have it on 24th, my lord, 24th of this month, my lord. How to do it?
Okay, less than 24 days.
Obliged.
Yes.
Supplement release item number 1.
Your Lordship, I pray that the matter may come up tomorrow. As the arguing counsel, Mr. B. Chakravarti, could not come today as he is feeling unwell.
What's the matter about?
It's FCI matter, Lordship.
My lord, in this regard, it may be taken up on Monday if she is taking adjournment today, my lord. Tomorrow I have a problem. I have a matter at Itanagar bench, my lord.
Doesn't matter. You're here before this court. Monday.
Monday, my lord.
You're on the prayer of the council of the party. This matter on Monday.
Oblige, my lord.
Item number 2.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, this is a pension matter, my lord. Here what has happened, my lord. Lordship, the petitioner was appointed way back in the year 1984 as a Gram Sevak, my lord. Thereafter he
Now,
was...
why is this pension not being paid?
My lord?
Why are you saying pension matter? Is pension not being released?
Yes, it's not been released, my lord. And other terminal benefits as well.
You overdrew 10 lakh salary.
That is what they are alleging, my lord.
You get instructions.
But since 2007, my lord, I think it's not permissible by law.
2007?
Yes, my lord.
Overdrew salary in 2007?
Yeah, that is what they are alleging, my lord.
Okay,
For 1 to 12, Your Lordship.
but Mr. E.G. Moon, a council petitioner, if you notice MST Young, you know, upper 30 AG with Mr. H. Abraham is present except on behalf of respondent to 12 and Mr. K. Kampong on behalf of number 13. Such service complete. This after 2 weeks or 3 weeks?
3 weeks, Your
3
Lordship.
weeks for instructional affidavit. All right.
Hello,
Pleasure. Item number 3.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
This matter is for
With affidavit.
filing for affidavit, my lord.
It's been filed?
No, my lord, not yet.
I
This is the
need
fourth
some
time, my lord.
I need some more time, my lord, because here we have already made the statement that work is not going to be allotted to third party, my lord.
We need that on affidavit.
Yes, I'll place that affidavit, my lord. Actually, it was meant.
So why do you mention it then?
My lord, there is an urgency, my lord. They from the last 3-4 dates they are seeking time.
So the thing is, Ms. Hassan, if they're not going to float a fresh tender or
Yes,
they're not going to,
Yes.
give the settle work to anyone, what is the urgency?
My lord, as per my instruction from my senior advocate, Mr. Ramender Jain, the company.
We'll file the reply,
My lord,
we will
kindly
file the
last opportunity may be given to them to
file the
file an
affidavit.
affidavit.
But within 2 weeks, my lord, I'll get
No,
it.
you file it by, today is the 6th. You file it by next week.
We'll do that.
My lord,
We'll do that.
fixed after on
Yes,
Monday.
Learned Advocate General appearing for the respondents. Praise phones allowed for the 1 week's time to file an affidavit. List this matter on 18th.
My lord. Deeply obliged.
Item number 4.
Where's your miss case? No miss case. Where's the petitioner? Oh. So we'll close the matter. We'll close the matter. Mr.
Yes,
Leader.
Your Lordship.
You go to.
We have already
you look
complied
for
with the direction of Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. S.R. Lingdo, you're appearing on behalf of which?
Respondent number 4 and 5, Your Lordship.
Yes, who's present today on behalf of respondent 4 and 5 submits that as per the direction of this court by order dated. Which did the order? When is the
30th January. 30th January.
31/2025. The same has been complied with, and nothing remains in the incident petition for consideration. So the same also is not disputed by legal counsel for the writ petitioner. Accordingly, as per the directions contained in the said order, it is reiterated that any other reliefs that the parties seek, they are liberty to approach the
civil court.
The civil courts or wherever the matter is, civil court or before the magistrate. What happened yesterday?
Your Lordship, we were given direction to execute the bond, to pay the fine.
Before Thomna? They are liberty to approach the civil court wherein the title suit is pending, as also the executive magistrate. With regard to the proceedings under section 107, 145. They've been closed. Had they been closed?
Your Lordship, I do not have information.
They've been closed.
Your Lordship, the order yesterday
was
we had the hearing at around 5:30. So the executive court had mentioned that they'll pass the order by today. So we're still awaiting the order.
So any thought, no? They are liberty, not they are liberty. They are at liberty. When times up between the parties, yes. The petition upon me stands closed and disposed of. Miss case also with the order passed and also this miss case also stands closed and disposed of.
Your Lordship, just one issue, Your Lordship, she's an old lady and she's not financially fit as well. So the amount that she can't pay, that amount as fixed.
Which amount?
The bond.
Before
for
the
bond.
magistrate,
For
executive
For the
magistrate.
magistrate, that's not before this court. What? How much amount has been fixed
10,000.
10,000.
for violating the order?
That was the bond that was signed and entered into between the parties, Your Lordship.
Then you bargain with the party.
Item number 5.
Highly obliged.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. We have filed a miscellaneous application for impleading, Lordship, the former headman as party respondent number 4.
Yes, what is his name?
His one, Lordship, one
Where
is
given it the name? Kirman Rinkhang.
Yes.
Huh?
Kirman Rinkhang, Lordship.
Oranghang.
Yes, former headman of Nongrim village.
This is an application, this case for impleading one Sri Kirman Rinkhang for the former headman of Nongrim village, Darbar Shalong Nongrim, Raj Bholasa, Raj R-A-I-D, then Bholasa BHOLASA, Himamiliam, as necessary party respondent in the main writ petition. The same not objected to by the counsels for the respondents. Accordingly, this case is allowed, and Sri so and so is impleaded as party respondent.
Number 4.
Number 4. This case disposed of. In view of the order passed, Ms. K. so and so registry to make the necessary corrections, conditions, and petitioner to take steps on the newly pleaded respondent within 3 days.
Matter will come after 3 weeks, Your Lordship. We'll have instruction.
Much obliged.
Apply a launch.
Daily list item number 1.
Fix witness today. Mr. Chanda, where's the list of witnesses you filed? The new list of witnesses?
Well, the list of witnesses was long filed.
No, only one. You filed, you have one witness.
No, Malad, affidavit has not
Affidavit,
come.
sorry, yes.
The list of witnesses was filed long ago, Malad. Today, Malad,
so where's the for example, where's the witness?
Malad, today we are seeking an adjournment due to ongoing election, Malad, ensuing election. His schedule is little tight, Malad. And moreover, Malad, he had also hinted of withdrawal. I don't know for what reason. For that, we have called him to meet us personally. So, Malad, may kindly have it after 2 weeks. In the meantime, Malad,
we file application. Seen the adjournment application filed by election petitioner. Praying for adjournment of this matter today. Stop. Next matter, prayers allowed for the reasons stated therein. This is the matter after 2 weeks. Yes. No point. It's just,
Item number 2.
The handicap today.
Yes, my lord. Mr. Sen is assisting me, my lord, and I have gone through the file. But I see that the judgment was reviewed and the compensation was enhanced, my lord, without any basis, because that order needs to be challenged. That review order needs to be challenged separately, my lord. So kindly give me some time, because I am assisted by Mr. Sen and he is not well. But I have seen, and the issue is regarding that, my lord. So kindly, I will be praying for 2 weeks' time. Your lordship may have it on.
You're praying for whom, Samantha?
I'm appearing for the respondent, Krishna Barua.
This case is for what?
For condonation of delay in filing appeal, my lord.
How long is the delay?
Delay is there, my lord, of 10 days effectively, because we have given cogent reasons.
We file objections?
Yes, we have given
objections. But there are some issues, my lord. I will be praying some more time.
Then we'll have it when?
Your lordship may have it on 24th, my lord, 24th.
Don't clock all month 24th, then you won't be able to do justice to them.
Your lordship, by that time I will file some more petitions also in this matter, because I have
But in fact, on the condition of delay, in fact, this cannot be admitted also. Outer limit also over. This is a special legislation.
We'll
Act
deal
of
with that
2013.
aspect, we'll deal
What
with
point
that.
is, I have all the Supreme Court
Was
decisions.
the new assessment done under the new act?
Yes,
Under
yes.
the new act, this
New
is an old act case, my lord. I have seen that up to Supreme Court we have succeeded, and they have been, and under the new act the award has been passed, my lord.
not one ascribed with personal knowledge, but this case is,
Yes, my lord.
has got a very checkered
Yes, my lord,
history.
that's a.
And due to certain interpolations and
Yes, my
and
lord.
occupation, the whole complexion changed.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
And I have seen that something.
Because
that
if the original benefactor, he never wanted to go to the family. He said like this land we use for the postal Assam. At that time, Shillong was part of Assam.
Those went up to Supreme Court,
Yes,
then
no,
they
but,
have to-
but then later on they came in and
I think
and
Lordship will remember that 90s, I think.
revived the heirs
And-
who were no longer in
and
contention.
the lease has
But that
also-
is, of course, what are
That-
the
that
bridge?
is closed.
Lease has also lapsed, my lord. Lease has also
No,
lapsed.
no, no. Lease still there. Not
See, the thing is
not-
that there's just you hear this because the government should take control of the land.
Yeah.
There's another matter pending for this court where there are a large number of illegal settlers, or
settlers
that
are
is,
there.
apart from the original tenants who are
Yes,
there.
Maxwell Estate. my lord. He's there. my lord.
That's the thing. You pay them and close it.
No, in fact, your lordship, he is agreeing at the
You
rate of
already
2.
got paid certain amount, correct?
Not 3 crore something.
They have
paid.
already been paid and
That
review.
hasn't paid.
Review.
So that hasn't paid. Then thereafter, we have come for the reference, your lordship, and because the land compensation was not paid. For the occupancy of the houses, they paid 3 crore something.
No,
So
because they resumed the property. Was it on the resumption clause?
Yeah,
or?
yeah, resumption clause also, my lord, and they are not the owners, my lord. I have
No, no,
seen
no.
it, and they have lost up to Supreme Court, unfortunately, and they under the new Act proceedings
in
have been
fact, the
initiated.
affidavit
given the-
says.
Okay. There is Advocate General appearing for the applicant in the missed case. Prays that the matter be taken up on the 24th of February as handicapped due to the illness of the assistant counsel. Yes.
May I please
Yes,
lordship?
yes.
My lord, from the lower court up to High Court up
No,
to
no, we don't
Supreme
not,
Court.
we're not arguing the matter now.
Okay.
We're just having a.
And as
Item
per the
number three?
Act, my lord.
Yes, very good. Yes, next matter.
Item number 3.
Where Mr. P.T. Sangma? Still on holiday? Oh, you're there. Yes. Yes, Mr. Deb.
Lordship, the
Complied.
there's a writ appeal pending. It was admitted for consideration. It's listed on 13th.
From this order itself.
Lordship. In fact, the last order passed in this matter was also to await the outcome of the writ appeal.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Oh, yes. This is matter after 4 weeks on the prayer of the parties.
Obliged.
Item number 4.
Lordship, here I am appearing for respondent number 5, Lordship. My affidavit is ready, Lordship. I pray for
Where's
one.
Mr. M.U. Ahmed for 4? Who's filed? He filed affidavit?
Nobody has filed till now.
State.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. K.P. Bhattacharjee. Your Lordship will pray for some time to file a affidavit.
Let 2 weeks, Lordship. In the meantime, we'll file it,
Let me
Lordship.
kindly note this matter was filed in the month of July last year, my lord. As many as
What's the problem?
My affidavit is almost ready, Lordship, because she's a lady.
Almost
I'm
ready? How many more lines left to write?
Waiting for the
Or to
signature,
type?
Lordship.
Waiting for signature? Okay. As prayed for the 2 weeks time allowed to the respondent's affidavit, yes.
I'll file it.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 5.
Here also, my lord, the affidavits are awaited.
Yes, yes.
Yes, my lord. After 6
Complaints withdrawn.
No, my lord. Inquiry, ministerial inquiry was conducted on 15th of January, my lord, with regard to the complaint filed by the parent and guardian, my lord. So, kindly give us some time to file our reply.
This is the last order, Mr.
My lord,
Thapa.
my lord, I've seen that, my lord, but my lord, pursuant to our complaint, my lord, with the state respondent, my lord, some kind of a magisterial inquiry was directed. That is underway, my lord.
One complaint has been withdrawn, your lordship. Then another
Not
complaint
my
is still
complaint,
there.
my lord, but
Is
somebody
there.
else's.
So on that remaining complaint, your lordship, a request has been made to the deputy commissioner to conduct an
So what are
inquiry.
we to do today?
Lordship, just simply adjourn. We'll have instruction
Where's
also.
Mr. M.U. Ahmed? None. How many MS said in Hong Kong, we have 1, 2, 3. Mr. Andy Shulai. Learned AAG with so-and-so appearing for response 1, 2, and 3, Mr. Hassan. For response 6 and 7, pray for not further 2 weeks' time to obtain proper instructions and to file affidavit. Stop. None appears. We have response number 5. Just after 2 weeks. Yes.
Apply, Your Lordship.
None appears for you. There's no 2 weeks allowed. Matter before that.
Item number 6.
6 and 7.
Item 6 and 7, my lord. The writ has been filed by.
No affidavit has been filed, my
Yes,
lord.
only issue, my lord, if I can show 1 or 2 point, my lord. Kindly see, affidavit will there may be no requirement to file affidavit, my lord. If your lordship will kindly see the rule, the direction is, my lord, if the writ petition is, my lord, that if your lordship will see the prayer, my lord, first the averment, my lord. Averment is there at page 21, my lord, page 21.
Para 12.
Rule 15, no?
Yes.
Page 21, Rule 15, my lord.
Yes.
The scales of pay admissible to persons and appointed to the various categories of post in the establishment, whether in a substantive or officiating capacity or as a temporary measure, shall be such as may be determined by the Chief Justice from time to time with the approval of the Governor. So the rule requires that there has to be consultation with the Honorable Chief Justice and the state. Governor means, my lord, state. That issue is, if I can place that, because that judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, because similar issue came before the Honorable Supreme Court, that the Justice Ravindran's judgment is there, my lord. The High Court Employee Welfare Association. This judgment, your lordship will see 2007 3 SCC 637. In this judgment, my lord, the similar issue was there. What is the meaning of governor, my lord? Because the direction is that the state has no role, my lord. That prayer, in my humble submission, is not correct, my lord.
Then you need to file an affidavit.
I'll file the affidavit on the legal points, my lord. And one issue is there, my lord, that we were checking the various other high courts also. And we found that some matter with regard to similar matter is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court also, because that's a Himachal Pradesh High Court where the issue is somewhat. I'll place all those materials, my lord, because these are all legal issues. Because even I went through the Calcutta High Court judgment recently, Justice Mahatra's judgment, where the Honorable High Court said, my lord, if I can place that last paragraph of the judgment of the Honorable High Court.
Matter was filed on September, my lord. Till now, they've not come with an affidavit.
No, because this is because in similar matter, my lord.
I also have to address, my lord, after knowing what they.
No, I will just because we are. I'll place the judgments, my lord.
Though the Learned Advocate General, the praying for the respondents, has made submissions with regard to the prayers of the petitioners, it is seen that an affidavit is necessary to be filed in order to address the issue in its entirety. Yes, sir.
These matters are settled out of the court most of the time, Lord.
Yeah,
between government and the
These ones allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavits.
7 is also
connected. 6.
Deep.
Item number 8.
Affidavit has been filed.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for some time, Your Lordship. 2 weeks' time, maybe given, Your Lordship.
You already, and what instruction did you receive? You said instructions
Your
were received
Lordship,
since the 5th of,
yes, Your Lordship.
of December.
Your Lordship, when the deceased father of the petitioner, Your Lordship, he passed away when he was in service. This is a matter for compassionate ground, Your Lordship. At that point of time, the mother was still in service, Your Lordship. The mother of the petitioner. She was a government servant, Your Lordship, the mother at that point of time.
When did they apply? They made application when the
In
scheme was
2016.
still in force.
Yes.
When was the application made? Compassion ground.
The first was made on 2008, Your Honor. Then the
Okay.
second application was made in 2016.
Okay, 2008 is fine, certain time. So that time the mother was serving.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So there is no financial distress. Now because she retired, asking for
Yes,
they're
Your
asking for renewal of that.
That application for.
How old are you
compassion.
now?
She's 33, Your Lordship.
She's married.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, file affidavit then. Ms. Ailingwa, pray for further 2 weeks' time to file affidavit. Praise allowed. File it within 2 weeks. Yes.
Item number 9.
Obliged, Lordship.
We have received the copy of the affidavit, my lord, filed by the respondent number 3 to 5, my lord. I'm praying 1 week time to file a rejoinder, my lord.
Yes, you're appearing for?
I'm appearing for this.
College? I'm sorry,
just
who's
for
for the
this.
college?
The college is.
Mr.
Mr. Sen is
Who's
appearing for the college. Mr. Sen.
He's not here today. You file affidavit?
My lord, dear.
Already filed. States file also.
We haven't filed because we don't have anything to do in this case. We're just formal parties, your lordship.
Yes, MS Abdul counsel petitioner. Praise from the Lord.
1 week time, my
Time
lord.
to file the joint affidavit. Affidavit filed by respondents 3 to 5. Yes.
My lord, the interim order
Yes,
makes.
according so also. Interim order pass earlier shall continue until next day.
Your lordship.
Item number 10.
Here this was lordship, as per the last order, I was asked to obtain instruction because in the list of nomination lordship, the name of the first lord still exists lordship. So I'll file necessary application to implement that. Because lordship will kindly see in the my petition lordship, that is at page 20 lordship. Page 20 lordship.
Yes.
Page 20. This is the petition filed by my mother-in-law. That is why I have enclosed this petition lordship, para 2 lordship.
Okay. Page 20.
Page 20, para 2.
Yes.
Para
On
2.
490, unauthorized terms. Yes.
A para 2 lordship on so and so, the so and so. This is the list of the siblings and along with his wife's lordship. Next page, that Srimati so and so residing at so and so, and divorced as per personal law of the parties on so and now she has taken another man. And second, 2 lordship. Nurima Khatun so and so. These are the wives lordship. That was in life in
Now
relationship.
the nominee is this Umma Kulsum.
Yes, lordship. So I'll implead her.
Mr.
I'll implead her.
Praise without to implead. To implead for the necessary party who is stated to be a nominee for the terminal benefits of the deceased employee. So, praise allow this. Will you file it?
I'll file it.
List after 2 weeks. Praise allow this. List does matter after 2 weeks.
So I'll file formal application.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Hearing item 16.
Here is this lordship, as per the one order lordship, that some instruction was sought to be obtained by the State Council lordship.
What instruction?
Because my
That home card, your lordship. Home card. They were de-requisition, your lordship, in the month of December 23. The lordship, they did not work, but only defect with the only defect is that the formal order, your lordship, has not been communicated to them, your lordship, till June, your lordship.
My lord will find the preceding order lordship, that is in November order, I think, if I am not mistaken, 22nd November 2024 lordship. Just before the last date lordship.
22, your
Okay,
lordship.
where we said disengagement is from when?
If lordship kindly come to page 36 of the writ petition, your lordship.
36.
Lordship, yes. Lordship, this is the letter from the Chief Engineer PHE to the Commandant General of Home Guards, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to the third paragraph. Therefore, in this matter, it is informed that the services...
December 2022.
Lordship, yes. Then, Lordship, kindly come to next page, Your Lordship. So, on 19 June 23, Your Lordship, they have been informed, Your Lordship, that they serve...
You informed on for 19 June 23 only.
Yes, this is a communication letter. Yes, Lordship.
And from 1st December 22 to 19 June 23, you attended duty.
Yes, Lordship. There was no Lordship.
And the PHE didn't say anything also.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, in fact, Your Lordship, these writ petition, they were called in the office of the PHE, Lordship, as reflected in the letter 19 June 23, Your Lordship, at page 37. Lordship, can you see? And the same has been communicated to you on 19/12/22 when you visited my chamber seeking clarification on this matter. They were in no, Your Lordship. They were in no, Your Lordship, on 19/12/22, Your Lordship.
That is why court has asked to obtain the instruction whether any...
Where's the 19/12/22?
Lordship, they were just called and verbally informed, Your Lordship. On 19/12/22, Your Lordship, not 2, Your Lordship, 19/12/22.
Then you paid them till 19 June 23.
My case is like this, Lordship. Since there is no formal order of discharge,
order of disengagement,
discharge from the appointing authority.
Yes, I'll be entitled to, you know,
yes.
If the formal order not come from the...
Yes, that is the Act provides, Lordship.
What's it called? But Home Guards?
They are mere volunteers, Your Lordship.
No.
They have been engagement only.
Yes.
Requisition authority.
Yes. No, requisition authority is the one who...
Lordship, kindly...
borrowing authority, Lordship. Now,
can you see, kindly appreciate, Your Lordship, that from December 22, Your Lordship...
See the letter 1st September.
Lordship, yes.
1st December.
Lordship,
Just
yes.
read the second paragraph.
Yes.
In this connection, as per the terms and agreement for engagement of Home Guards, one is requisitioning agency followed by office so and so. Any agency discontinue. That means 30 days after 1st December. That means they would stand disengaged by 31st December 2022.
Lordship,
if they'd been informed, because as per your letter dated 9/2/2022 only, that if you intend disengage, you should 30 days prior to the department. So they've given you this prior notice to the department, and then you inform verbally only.
On 19/12, Your Lordship, they were called in the office chamber of the...
I deny, Lordship. Prior to that, Lordship, kindly page 33, Lordship. What my learned senior is saying, page 33, Lordship. This is not a verbal communication. This is a written communication, Lordship. This was 33.
Yes.
This was issued in reference to my application when in the writ, Lordship, the revision of pay matter, when I informed the court that I have been since December our salary has been
from
stopped.
January 23 onwards.
Yes, then I put up a communication letter along with the court order. Now kindly see that with reference to the subject, the matter so and so, this is to inform you that the salary from the so and so onwards cannot be paid anymore. For what reason?
You do one thing, Mr. Should I give them some token amount? How many of them? The 3 of them?
3.
3 of them, Your Lordship.
How much you paid a month?
My Lord, after the revision, 40 plus, Lordship.
40 plus.
40 plus. Earlier it was.
They are not. They did not. They did not.
Now from January 2023, non-service. So at the most you have to pay them for 5 months, but not at the regular salary. You pay.
Let be 5,000.
You just get some amount. You give them.
Let it be 5,000. Lordship per month. Yeah.
Give them 10,000 per month.
My Lord, I am retiring next month.
Let it be 5,000, Your Lordship.
March and one is
5,000. No, give them 10,000 at least.
Let my Lord.
Then 10,000 is only how much? It's only be 55,000. You're going to pay them.
Then I leave it to Your Lordship.
My Lord, I have to take instruction, Lordship, because they are not
Lordship.
Because of filing of the case. Now that case they have succeeded. Now because of that they have taken a revenge, and I have been removed from my service, Lordship. for 5 years, Lordship, I have put up. There is no break, Lordship.
No, forget break. You're volunteer. That doesn't come to play here. The only thing is that now, see, the thing is that the requisitioning authority had given due information to the parent, your parent department, about non-requirement of services, but with 30 days notice. And they've paid you till December 2022. So no quarrel with your department. Your only quarrel is with
My
your
appointing
parent
authority,
department, which has not
parent.
given you a formal order of
Order.
disengagement.
Disengagement.
But they have put on record that they informed you.
Yes.
So we disregard that, and just as to bring a closure to the matter, you did get instructions. then
My
we
lord,
close the
another
matter
issue,
next
lordship, whether the formal communication, just
we're not going there.
lordship, I have to take instruction from the client, lordship.
See,
They
you
have,
accept 10,000 per month.
lordship,
That's
that
it.
will be
that is a tentative mind of the court.
Then, Lordship,
It didn't render service. It was just compensatory.
Then the matter may be closed, Your Lordship.
Then I'll take
You get
instruction.
instruction, tell me you pay them 55,000 each.
I'll take instruction, lordship. I'll take instruction from them. If they are,
Take something. One bird in the hands, word two in the bush. Remember that.
I'll take, because lordship, now they have been, I'll take instruction from them, lordship. If they're convinced, no problem. I'll try to convince them.
And will come after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Lordship.
I'll also have
In
instruction.
the course of hearing,
10,000 is.
in the course of hearing, it is seen that prima facie, the writ petitioners were not formally disengaged. Oh no, the writ petitioners weren't. Sorry, prima facie. There's no formal order of disengagement issued by the respondents, though it is stated in a communication dated at page 34.
34, Your Lordship, that is the communication that
19 June.
Sorry, 1906,
2023, that the writ petitions have been informed
or 1912-22,
on
Your Lordship.
19/12/2022.
Lordship.
Stop. Next, be that as it may, as the formal disengagement is still under question, to bring a closure to the matter, Leonard Additional Advocate General is directed to obtain instructions as to whether a certain compensatory amount can be advanced to the writ petitioners.
Lordship.
Yes. For the remaining months from January 2023 to 19 June 2023. Yes. Just after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
I'll also take instruction.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
We will not allow you. Whatever, if they come, then you take the money and go.
17.
Please, Your Lordship. Can this matter come after 2 weeks, Your Lordship? The conducting counsel is Miss Nongri.
Yes, Your Lordship, the matter entirely has become infructuous. So
Now you're enjoying Krangsuri.
this is not a Krangsuri matter.
Sorry.
This is through movie, Your Lordship. Through movie matter.
Let it just come after 2 weeks, we'll clear the whole thing.
1 week, Your Lordship. Entirely because, Your Lordship, they have the relief
Because,
they prayed for
Miss-
before, Your Lordship, is for performance of prayer at through movie. However, by way of miscase, I have filed Lordship, bringing on record that they have already performed the prayers.
Okay,
Since
yes,
last year.
Mr. S. Matpan, Leonard Counsel Leonard Counsel praised that the matter within 2 weeks, as the arguing counsel is not present in.
She's not keeping indisposed.
Is indisposed. Stop. According to this matter of 2 weeks.
Lordship.
I'll leave that.
Good.